Minister in charge of Agriculture Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh on Monday said agriculture products should be isolated and insulated from taxing. Talking to the media after holding a meeting with a farmers group, Dr. Lyngdoh said the farmers have complained that too many authorities collect too many kinds of road tax and it is killing the farmers' business. The minister, however, has assured to take up the farmers' issue with the Chief Minister. She said multiple departments are involved in this.
Authorities collecting too many kinds of road tax, and it is killing the farmers' business. Farmers are ours. How can you tax your own farmers? How do you expect farming to be lucrative if farmers have to pay huge amounts of money to different gates? Indigenous most of the time, I'm told. We have to talk about this. We have to be mature. You have to support your farmers.
Deputy Chief Minister